All right, hi everybody. It's Mike Rains from the Mike Rains Real Estate Channel. Bonds, bonds, bonds. That's what we're talking about today. And I get questions asked all the time by buyers. Why do the rates fluctuate so much out from day to day, and sometimes even within that? So, like this week, the rates bonds have been moving around. Monday it was, I think it was 4.5%. Today it's 4.75% with no points. And so why the difference? Why every day does this thing change? And so the answer is that the mortgage rates come from yields that are issued by the bonds. So the mortgage-backed securities that these lenders use are traded every day on the open market. And so they go up and down, and some days are up, some days are down. And so there's this fluctuation. And so if you look at, like, say, Yahoo Finance, you can go to their market section and go down to the treasuries, and under the 10 and 30 years, you can see what the bonds are doing that day. And so, like, for example, today it was down 6 cents on the 10-year, and lenders will look at the 30-year as well. But that is the reason why that every day the mortgage rates are different. So what happens if when you go to refinance or buy a place, sometimes there's a trend going on and your mortgage professional will tell you, hey, we need to wait just a little bit longer before we lock that rate, or hey, we need to lock that rate today because they're anticipating a move of the market on that. So that's the reason that mortgage rates fluctuate. And so I hope that helps you out. Right now, buyers, I'm telling to try to take advantage now that the rates have dipped back into the fours, where it had gotten to 6% in June from the beginning of the year. So beginning of the year was like 3% or a little bit less in some cases. And then it had moved up to the high in June at 6.25%. And now it's floated back down. So many buyers are now able to afford those payments. And so I recommend strongly that you get into a house now, take advantage of that rate while the market has softened on pricing, negotiate your best deal and get that rate locked into fours. You're going to see that the rates over long term could rise. And later on, you can refinance that to a lower rate once the cycle goes through. But you've heard the words recession. That's what the bond market does. It prices in those types of things. And right now it's pricing in a recession. So I hope that helps you out. For buyers, have confidence that you can get a great rate right now and be able to get into the home that you want to get in. So if you have any other questions, please reach out to me. I'm here to help. I've got plenty of mortgage professionals that I work with as well. And I have a fair bit of knowledge too myself. Don't forget to like and subscribe right down at the bottom there, the Remax Collection sign there. Hit that and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to give this video a like. Hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the day. We'll talk to you soon.